amazing news. I came to New York on a dream. I knew it might take me a while, but all I've been hearing since I arrived is leave it right there on the pile. So today I woke up and decided it's time. Time to achieve, time to climb, time to climb.
Miss March, tell us, what happened?
Sometimes when you dream, your dream is just a guess. Sometimes when you work really hard, you don't know if you'll ever find success. So I grabbed a story to sell, and got ready to raise hell. And I marched out the door and headed right for the weekly Volcano press.
Henry Dashwood, now he is a man of taste.
Dashwood was a fiend. He sneered at my distress, tossed my story high on a stack, but I was determined I would progress. I said, sir, I'll wait while you read, but alas, he disagreed. So I jumped on a chair and read it right there at the weekly Volcano press.
You did what?
Oh my, keep away from me, you wretch! I cannot keep away. Your beauty draws me, your passion ignites me.
Oh, it's the one with all the horror in it, the bloodbath.
That's the one, but I took to heart what you said. I embellished. I made it better. Thunderclaps. Lightning strikes.
I've got
To have you, I can buy you.
I will take you.
Let me buy you. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. And Rodrigo appears in magnificent splendor.
What a head-up woman, villain! Who are you? I am your destiny. Your future is full. I've come to avenge your crime of 10 years ago. Run to the forest! Run!
I can't. The forest is dangerous. My sister lived there and never returned.
You must risk it. You must take the dark path. Your fate awaits you there.
She will never escape me.
Hurry!
Our guard!
Go now!
Dashwood was aghast, but I could not care less. Words I spoke ignited the air. I felt like a publishing lioness. That's when Dashwood started to shout, and I thought he'd throw me out. But then I persevered, and a forest appeared at the weekly Volcano press. The forest is dark and scary. Clarissa enters trembling, fearful of what fate awaits her. She comes to a fork in the road and stops. Which way do I go? A hag appeared. I can help you choose, but choose like a sacrifice. Give me something, dear. Those combs on ice. Without these combs, what will I be? Perhaps a hag as dull as me. I can't. You'll never know your destiny unless you give up vanity. I've got to know. Please show me where to go. Your fate awaits you there. The path is perilous. She avoids swamps, loses her footing. The sleeve of her dress gets caught on a twisted limb. She comes to wild rapids and can go no further. How do I get across? A troll appears. If you want to cross, you must pay me. I have a boat that can get you there alive. I see her necklace that holds a pretty jewel. My price to get across is what you're wearing around your neck. Oh, how its glitter makes me drool.
you not care for me? It's been years since I felt the touch of another hand.
Then take mine, and take my shawl, ragged as it is.
You have completed your journey. My sword is yours. I protect you from your enemies. You may now return to yours. Your fate is in your hands.
And Clarissa raced from the forest, raced to the moors where she called out, I have returned, Braxton! I shall free the moors of your tyranny! Fight me!
I always knew you'd come back to me. They always do.
She carried, she backed Braxton up, pinned him against a tree. She leaps up onto a craggy rock, her sword swishing and swooshing. Never has she been so determined. She is on fire! Pity she hadn't taken dueling lessons. When, out of nowhere, who should appear but the long-forgotten Rodrigo?
This is your end, villain. I've waited a lifetime to destroy you.
Who are you?
I am your worst nightmare, Braxton.
I am her sister! And then Dashwood got on his knees, crying, "Sell this to me, please."
Oh, Miss March!
Then he